Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Brave browser in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Brave browser in your preferred search engine. Now go to the download link of Brave browser and click on Download Brave button. As you are in Linux system, next page will provide you the instructions to install Brave browser in Linux. Choose your distribution and follow the steps. Now open the terminal. Type each installation commands one by one. Give your password when requested. Wait for the installation to complete. Brave browser is now installed. To check the installation is success, type the command brave browser -- version and press enter. The installed version of Brave browser will be displayed. Now to open the browser, click on the menu icon and go to Internet. Now click on the Brave browser.